Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amaryllis, and if this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope that you stay tuned and that you subscribe to my channel for more videos. So in today's video, I'm going to take you into my kitchen, which is over there, and I am going to be organizing my refrigerator. I felt like the pantry organization video seemed to kind of get some interest and inspire some of my friends. So I wanted to organize my refrigerator, and honestly the way my refrigerator is set up, it has like wiring as the shelving, and it's kind of annoying. Some things kind of like don't really sit well. So I think that the product that I'm going to show you now is going to help me organize it, and it's going to look like MTV Crib style, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's my hope. So let me show you what I got. This bad boy. Okay, so I bought this off of Amazon. I just put in refrigerator organizer, and it came this large thing here, so I'm going to open it up with you. Okay, the first thing is kind of cute. It's an egg organizer. So you put all of your eggs, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can fit up to 14 eggs in here, which is nice. And yeah, I think it's really cute. So comes with that, and then it comes with some containers. So comes with this larger container. You can fit larger bottles or larger items. So it comes with 2 of them. This one I am excited about. This is to hold cans like of soda or like juices or whatever the case. So I think this is going to be really helpful, because I think that that's what I really need the organization for, is more for like bottles and things like that. So, and then it comes with these 2 smaller containers for, like, I would say like sauces, dressings, things like that are a little bit thinner. I actually have a lot of like dressings and things like that, so on the door you'll see I don't really have that much space for all of the dressings. We love salads, and so we have a lot of different dressings. But honestly, this is like stuck together, so I'm gonna have to take a minute to take this apart. But I'm going to rinse these items and dry them down, and then get to organizing the refrigerator. Please, no judgment. I didn't clean it before. I didn't organize it before. I'm gonna show y'all, so hopefully it's not that crazy. And then we'll get to organizing, and yeah, and then see the final product. Welcome to my kitchen. It's tiny. You might have seen in the pantry video, I have a tiny kitchen, but I think that that's why it's super important to have it organized, so that it doesn't look cluttered. There's some other things that I'm doing in the kitchen to help maximize the space that I have. So let's get into the fridge. Da-da-dum. So as you saw, there's that wiring. So I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to wipe down the fridge, and then start putting things into these containers that I bought and organizing. So let's get right to it. But first, cue the music. So I have completely cleaned it out and reorganized it. It's not MTV Crib style because I don't really buy that many like sodas or waters and drinks like that, but because I feel like that's typically why like MTV Crib be looking poppin', like their fridge. But it's definitely more organized, and I feel like things aren't just like kind of thrown in there. There's like little designated areas. So I am super happy that I went ahead and I did this. It actually looks a lot more packed, but I really am happy with how it came out. And yeah, I feel good about having an organized refrigerator. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that you found some inspo to organize your own refrigerator. It didn't actually take as long as the pantry, I guess because it's a smaller space, but yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.